Editor left Kangana Ranaut's Revolver Rani midway. Doesn't matter how Kangana Ranaut is still getting applause and money for her queen performance. The makers of her next Revolver Rani are running helter-skelter to finish the film.
हम हैं अलका सिंह. I love passion, fun और gun.
Sources revealed, Revolver Rani's editor Shan Muhammad, who has worked on Wake Up Sid and Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, left the film midway over non-payment of dues.
Advance.
The filmmakers eventually hired another editor who has edited Highway and Rockstar. The final cut is still not ready and they are just weeks away from the release. Well, now it's something strange. Why Kangana's films are so low budget, even after she proved well that she can run a film on her own.